Hi guys, so today's video we're going to do a natural makeup look. So hope you like this video. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I don't have anything right now in my face. So here I'm having these dark spots and even here. So first, I'm going to apply my All-in Fairness cream, day cream from Olay. So this has 24 SPF. So I'm going to apply this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there. Because of course we have to protect our skin. Let me just apply this to my face gently. Just leave it for like 2 minutes. So now we can apply my primer. So this is from L'Oreal. So if you can see that from the camera, this is the infallible mattifying base primer. So I will just put that. This will help your makeup to stay longer. I will just apply it, massage it in this area. So now I'm going to apply my liquid foundation from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Maybelline liquid foundation for normal to oily skin. So in the shades of 120 Classic Ivory. So I will just put that here again. Yep. So I'm going to use a sponge to spread this foundation.
So actually for me, I don't put that much makeup on. I just usually put foundation, mascara, lip tint, and this eyeliner. Then I will just put powder for my eyebrow powder from Nichido. So I'm gonna show you that later. So I guess that's it. So let me just apply more area. This is just my everyday look. But sometimes I don't put makeup on. I just actually just eyeliner or eyeliner and lip tint. Because now we're wearing a mask during, while we're at work. So you can see.
So next, I'm going to apply this Nichido Eyebrow Liner Duo Kit in the shades of Coffee / Black 01.
So let me just brush it up and side. And here. So you see a difference, right? real, what do you call this? Real, here. Didn't have real here again. I don't have any problem applying anything to my eyebrow. You can see my natural eyebrow. This will just help to emphasize my eyebrow. Kumbaga magkaroon siya ng kulay. You just have to brush it. Again. There you go.
Next, I'm just going to apply this super lash eyeliner from Essence. So this is waterproof. I'll just apply it here. Okay. Now I will need my mirror.
Kasi it's complicated to put eyeliner. I need to focus to make it right. So I'll just put one line here. That will help me to follow the line here. There you go. So one line first, then you can follow that line. I win. So you just have to make it try.
And I'm going to apply my mascara. This mascara is Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. Just apply this one. Okay, let me use. So there you have it. Done for the eyeliner and mascara. Now I have to apply this. I'm going to apply this the Colossal 12-Hour Extra Black Kajal eyeliner from Maybelline as well. So this is eyeliner for so there you go. And I'm just going to curl my eyelashes a little. There. You can see this. This is my eyes now. Oops. as you can see, I'm using most of the product from Philippines because it's good for Mareni like me. Tanning. So this is my final look. Okay. So this is the final look. Okay, now I have to so that's all for today. So I don't put anything in this eyelid because I don't have that much eyelid. And anyway, I'm just achieving a natural makeup everyday natural makeup look. So it's the one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog, and please give it a thumbs up.